tip on getting started in real estate?
Yeah, I would say, and I have to relate this back to my business clients is first off, get really clear on your vision of what is most important to you. In that vision, is it for your family? Like, what is your long-term goal? Because if you don't have that carrot dangling, if you don't have that strong why, you're not going to do it. And so getting really clear on your vision. And then I would also say, create a plan. So create it, quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, map all that out and what you're going to do for each month. So there's 3 quarters in a month, and then each week, and then each day. And here's the thing, if you take action on your highest priority steps that you want to do, then you're going to find yourself closer to that goal. It's that people are filling up their days with lower priority things that they're not taking action on. So that would be your blueprint, for success.